All right, in this video today, I'm going to teach you guys how you can be able to create your own logistic website. So if you're new on my YouTube channel, my name is Lawrence. I create videos how to make money online. I create videos how to become an affiliate marketer, some tech tips, and some other stuffs like the online. So if you're new on my YouTube channel, please endeavor to splash the red subscription button and click the bell icon, turn it to all in order to get notified whenever I drop an awesome video like this. And to my returning subscribers, I really appreciate you guys for being alongside with me right away from the beginning at this moment. And let's say I'm going to take you guys really how you're going to create your own logistic website. So I'll take you guys really on my system step by step on how you can be able to create your own logistic website with tracking ID, and then with map tracking ID. You track it and you can see it on the map where the location where the goods or the product is. So all I need from you guys is just to watch the video from the beginning to the end, and the script, I'll be giving the script the download. So the download link is going to be in the description below, so you're going to download it and then watch the video on how you can be able to set it up. So thank you guys.
All right, so right now here on my system, so as I earlier said, I'm gonna take you guys really on how you can be able to create your own Courier website, which is logistic website. So we are going to do this. I'm going to take you guys step by step. Here you can see this is the front end. It looks so amazing, look like it's look beautiful, simple and clear. We don't have anything to stress yourself here. You can see this kind of animation. Let me just reload it so that you guys should see it. All right, it's done. You can see I'm going to teach you guys literally how you're going to create your own logistic website. So I have my own tracking ID here, so let's try to track it. As I earlier mentioned, you can track it. It's even showing Google Map as well. So let me paste it. Let's track it and see. Okay, it's loading. It's loading. All right, you can see here, you can see tracking details, shipment details, information, senders details, and the receivers details. And then you can see how everything is done. And the more details about the shipment, about the product or anything that has been shipped, you can see it here. You can see declared weights, original ports, current status on hold, dispatch date, and then estimated deliver date, and then current location. You can see here current location, so you can see Google Map here. You understand? So I'm going to take you guys really how you're going to do this, on how you can be able to create your own Courier website. So first of all, you have to maybe if you have not purchased your domain, I recommend you use bulletproof hosting. I'm going to drop the link below my description on how you can be able to purchase your own bulletproof hosting and then host your website. All right, so right now let me log in to my hosting where I'm going to host this, so that I will upload everything so that you guys will see it. You see it. All right, I'm going to log in. So all I need from you guys to just watch the video from the beginning to the end. The download link, I'm going to drop the download link in the description so that you guys can be able to have access to it and download it. Okay, so all I need from you guys is just watch the video from the beginning to the end. And if you're new on my YouTube channel, please endeavor to splash the red subscription button and click the bell icon, turn it to all in order to get notified whenever I drop an awesome video like this. So far, let me check. I think I've already uploaded a site on this, but okay, all right, let me delete the files here so that we'll do everything afresh so that you guys will see it how I'm going to do it. Okay, so let me go to the file manager. I want to delete everything here. Let me go to public HTML and select all and then delete. I want to delete, and I'll go to my view trash here and then empty trash. Okay, let me view it again. Empty trash. I don't want anything to be inside. Okay, it's empty right now. So let's go to the uh, public HTML. That's your domain root. Okay, so right now here nothing is there. Let me go back and delete the database as well. Database. Let me delete the database. I'm going to do everything afresh so that you guys will see it. Please, let's be very careful. There are some scammers under my comments box. Don't inbox anybody that pastes his number on the comment, please. If you do it and it got scam, I don't know anything about that. Please don't try such. Please be very careful. Don't go and be chatting someone else my name, the person will be telling you there's LAWZTECH, and then you pay the person money and later on you come and be complaining that I scammed you. I don't used to scam and I don't do that. So please be very careful. Be very careful out there, please. Okay, so right now here, this is a public HTML. So let me upload the files. I'm going to upload the files. I don't even know where I kept it. Well, but let me check. I think it's under my download. Oh, I don't really know where it is, but I guess it's not far. I guess it's not far. All right. Okay, I've seen it. Okay, I have to upload this. It's loading. It's loading. So far, let's just go back and be creating the database. You say, let's say testing. Let's say testing. All right, testing. Let me copy this and then create database. Go back and then database user. Database user. Let me paste it, testing, and then we have to generate the password. And then I've copied this password and then use password. So you click and then create database. So far you will have to keep this information, should be safe with us, should be saved with us. Let me paste the password here and then copy the database. Okay, let me add the database and the database user and the name together, and then allow all the privileges and then make changes. So I'll copy this and then keep it here. All right, so our database has been created successful. So right now here the files is going, we are going to upload, we are going to set this manually. This is not automatic installation. So the files is going to come with your SQL database. Your SQL database is very important. So right now here, let's go back to the cPanel and then open our my PHP admin. PHP my admin. We'll click on it and see the database we recently created. So you have to click on LAWZTECH testing. This is the database we created. So we're going to import the database. We're going to import the database. You understand? So this is very important. As I earlier said, this is not auto install wizard and script. This one we're going to follow manual installation. Okay, so right now here I'm going to import the database. It's very important. You have to install the database. And I could remember I had issue with somebody. The person purchased script and they don't know how to use it. The person actually installed the files on the database instead of my SQL database files. So please be very careful. So here is, this is the database. This is the database SQL. So I'm going to import it and then hit on import. All right, here it has been imported. Okay, so right now here, let me go back to we have uploaded the files, let's say flight shipping. So have to click to go back to the files, and then we have to extract this. I have to extract it. It's loading. So right now here, that's done loading. So there are lots of work, you know. This script actually the that the front end is different and the back end is different, but I've connected everything together and it's working perfect. So here, this is the place where you have to pay attention. Like, you have to watch everything from the beginning to the end. Don't skip it, because if you skip, you're going to, like, you will lost on your way while doing the installation. You understand? So you need to be very careful. So please don't skip the video, because if you skip the video, I don't want someone to come to my DM and be asking me how to do this, how to do this. So right now here you can see these are the scripts. So let me delete the files we uploaded. Oh, sorry, I'm downloading it for what? Okay, let me delete it. So I've deleted it already. So right now here I've already installed the database. So now we're working on how we can be able to connect this script. This is very, very important. Here, these are the complete files. Okay, so I've earlier stored this database user and the password. So right now we are going to commence the configuration. We're going to configure it. So come with me. Let's click on these assets. Okay, let's click on vendor. Okay, actually forgot where the files where we are going to configure it, but let me figure it out. Let's figure it out together, then we'll know what we're going to do. Okay, okay, let me check the admin and see. Okay, it's not here. You know, it has been long. I actually used the script. Okay, let me enable. Okay, show hidden files. I think it's under this JS. Sorry, it's loading. No, it's not here. PSR log. Okay, it's not here. Please, I'm sorry for wasting your time. Okay, so right now here, I've actually figured out where we're going to connect it. I'm sorry, it was even here self. Okay, So I recently edited it. It was August 28th, 2023. So we're going to click on this database PHP and then click on edit. Click on edit. So it has opened. So right now here you can see database name. So we're going to copy the database name here. This database name. So we're going to paste it here. Database name. We're going to replace it here. And database users is same thing, so we're going to paste it here as well. Be very careful, don't go and do any mistake, because immediately you just do mistake here, your site is not going to run. So let me copy the password. So now you can see here database password. So I'm going to replace it here, database password. Don't miss anything, because if you miss anything it will not even connect. All right, so right now here, let's check. Let me try to run the site and see what will happen. It's loading. Okay, the site is not secured. All right, this is SSL certificates issues, but I'm doing this for the sake of the tutorial. So you can see here it's loading perfect. So let's try to log in on the admin and see. So now it's working perfect. You can see here, you can see everything is working. You can see the domain name here, LAWZTECH. Everything is working. So right now let's just let's log into the admin. Right, we're going to log into the admin, and then set up a tracking. This is slash admin. Should log in. Let's see. All right, I'm sorry, I don't know whether my system is slow or I don't know. So right now here, let's go back to the database and then figure out the database user and the password. Let's go here and then click on admin. Wait to click on the admin and then check it. It's loading. I'm sorry, my network is a bit slow. All right, so here is the username. So we're going to copy this. We're going to copy this. We'll come back here. Paste it here, and then we'll look for the password. You can see the password here. So I've copied the password. So let's log into the admin and see. Alright, it's loading right now. Alright, now it has logged in. Here you can see this admin, and then you can add tracking, print receipt, and here is the settings. So let me save this. So far the SQL database comes with two trackers that have already been set. So now all you need to do is to change the logo, change the name of the website, but all this is supposed to be done from the files. It's not from the admin. So this is where I was talking about that you need to be very careful. You click on this about, and then you click on index and index 2. You're going to change the name of the site, you're going to change the about of the site. Everything is from this particular index. You click here, click on edit, click on edit. You can see here, from here you're going to change the name of the site, the name of any kind of name that you wish that you want it to be. You can change it from here, and then the logo, everything is from here. Even the email that you have to use, you have to change it from this code here. It's very important. So this is how you're going to do it. So just be very careful while you're going to change it. I earlier said that okay, I have changed this one to LAWZTECH. So let's try to edit some and see. I don't know, my system is very slow right now because I've done a lot of videos today, so the system is a kind of a bit slow, but I think you guys understand what I mean. From this aspect, from this place, you need to edit everything from the front end using this HTML code. Is very important. So you need to just, if you know how to work with HTML, you know how to use HTML as programming language, it will be easier for you to understand it and how to figure it out. So for those that are learning, if you have any problem, well, you can drop it in the comment section below, or you can contact me, then we'll work towards it. So thank you guys for watching. You can see how everything is done. I really appreciate. And if you're new on my YouTube channel, please endeavor to click the subscription button and click the bell icon, turn it to all in order to get notified whenever I drop an awesome video like this. And if you like my video, please thumbs me up. I'll be glad. And if you have any problem, you can drop it in the comment section below. Thank you guys for watching.